Hi, I'm going to take a series of short videos of the Bridgeport Series 2 milling machine with the 3-axis Proto Trak M3 control. Has the 2 horsepower vari-speed milling head, which I'll turn on now. I don't have a tool in the spindle, but I do have a collet in there. Machine's very clean and nice condition. And I'm running the head now, so that way when I run the control in the next sequence, the head will be off, so you'll be able to hear the control running a little better. So that's the end of number 1.